Let's unbox this new camera with me. This is the Kodak PixPro FZ45, and I've been seeing it across all my platforms, YouTube, etc. And it was recommended by Aaliyah Muse. Alrighty. Ooh. We have all the pieces. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this is the transfer cable. It is. Okay, I thought I was gonna have to buy one. That's really good to know. Oh wait, that might be the... No, yeah, that's the transfer cable. I thought it was maybe the charger, but I think this one requires batteries. We also have our lovely manual. Of course, won't be reading that. Hopefully. Because if I'm reading it, that means something is not working. But anyways... Well, no, I do need to figure out the settings on the thing because apparently that's the important thing. I've heard that keeping it on AE and force flash, I guess, is how you get the best photos. So I guess we'll be seeing about that. More paper. It came with batteries. Thank you so much, Kodak, for including the batteries. Because, you know, everything is always like batteries not included. But these were, thankfully... I'm very happy about that. Okay, yeah. What is this? Oh, the little lanyard going around your wrist. And last but not least, el camera. Okay. Here we are. Have the little tag. It's so cute. And it had different colors. I kind of wanted the burgundy one too, but I ended up going with white. And here we are. Oh my gosh, I'm really excited. I was actually thinking about taking pictures this week, but I wasn't sure if I'd get it in time, but I did. It came in like a week. Very cute. Let's see, I'm gonna put these batteries in and then we can turn it on. All right, we have those in. I'm gonna press the power button here. Oh, and it's so cute, see? Kodak PixPro, period. Oh, let's see here, you can see Kodak PixPro. Very cute, right? Press this button here. Uh-oh. Oh, and I forgot to put my memory card in as well. So that I also got in a nice little package. It's fighting for my life to open that. Anyways, another cute little Kodak SD card, 64 gigs. I'm pretty sure you put this in upside down and facing the thing. Let's take a look. Okay, yeah, it's one of the springy types. That's cool. Okay, I gotta figure this out because it's not turning on. I'm literally pressing the button. You saw me put the batteries in. It's not turning on. I'll figure this out. My brother helped me, guys. It's working now. Okay, I gotta put in the settings and everything. Language. And date and time. I guess I'll actually make it correct instead of having the wrong date for years. Very cool. It's working. Okay, I'm going to try and upload these now just to see how they look and how they came out. So far, so good. Little selfie and took one of my mom. And I'm going to connect this to my computer. Let's see what we got. This is one.